Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School Class 6 subject Social Science. Children, before class we have covered the varieties of food, the beginnings of farming and herding, domestication, a new way of life, storing animal, finding out about the first farmers and herders, towards a settlement. Now we are going to see about the towards a settlement life. What about the customs and practice? A closer look of Mehagar. Next is Diogila Harding. Now we are going to see about towards a settlement of life. What are the settlement those earliest people have been done? Burza home. It was located in Kashmir. Let me see in the map. You can see the Burza home. It is located in Jammu and Kashmir. On those days, they built a pit houses. They dig into the ground and they was making the houses with steps, and they was cooking inside the outside. Why they was cooking inside and outside means due to the weather condition, they was cooking inside and the outside. The mortars and the pestle. Olakka, you ask your mother what is that? It is used for the grinding the grains. The pots those days they was decorating it, and they was storing the things. Many things we can store in the pots. In their house itself they will store under the pots itself many things. Even the monies they will store in your pots. This type of things they will store in their pots. They are used for the cooking foods. Without pots we cannot cook, so they make a pots to cook the foods. The most important is they make a important diet using the rice, wheats and lentils. Weaving the cloths, they making the cloths in their hand itself. This is about the towards the settlement of life. And next we are going to see is what about the customs and their practice. Men's and women still they was continuing the occupations like hunting and gathering the foods. They will hunt the animals, still they are gathering the foods. They will gather all types of fruits which is available in the forest, and they do the different things during the different seasons is available. The next topic we are going to see about the tribes. Here the 2 or 3 generation will be there. They live together in the villages. The families here is they will be relatives in their villages, so they may be related to each other. What are the occupation they has been done means they do the hunting, gathering, farming and fishing. If they do this occupation only, they can eat their food. Tribes culture. Here they was singing and dancing. They were doing the decorating the pots and all. They was doing on their own. Even the music, stories, paintings and all, they have been done on their own. Even they have been done the gods and all, they have been drawn and they have painted and they have been worshipped. Here some men are leaders. They called a man as a leader because there will be an old experience of men will be there. There will be so young, brave about this culture. So they have an unique traditions, like I told no, they have been own languages, music, stories and dresses. They will create on their own. What makes tribes different from the society? They won't see rich and poor. They equally treat everyone. Even they have the study, that is about the land, forest, grass and water. They will equally, everyone will share it equally. They won't separate it. This is about the tribes. Next we are moving to the Mehagar. It is near the Pakistan, and many fruits has been grown like barley, and the wheat has been grown in near the Pakistan. The first time they have been controlled and see the ships and the goats. They have been found many animals bones, like first they have been found the deer, next after that their deer, pigs, after that they have sawn the sheep and goats, then later they have sawn many bones of the cows. Here the square and the rectangle shape, the rooms will be in square and rectangle shape. Each will be four rooms will be there. There will be in a separate 4 rooms. The life after the death, even a person has been died, they will keep it in their ground. So here the person also been died, they will keep the goats to the dead body, because that goats has been a remember to that person, so they has been kept to that person in the ground as a dead body. அந்த டெட் பாடி கூடயே இந்த கோட்டையும் புதைச்சிருவாங்கன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. Have you understood till this? Can you see the picture? Here dead body is there. The goat has been killed. Can you see? This is about the Mehagar. Next topic we are going to see about Dayojila Harding. It has been in Brahmaputra Valley. Can you see? It is near the Brahmaputra. Here the stones has been found. The mortar and the crystal has also been found. Judged stones also been found here. It is found in the China. The fossil food, it is a wood, after that it becomes a stone. This is about the Dayojila Harding. The assignment will be draw the pit houses. The assignment will be draw the bit houses who are tribes. Thank you, children.